on behalf of my institution, the most important thing is that I see the potential in Saima, in Aram, and Amba, and Asma, and all these young ladies, and they are the future of Pakistan. And with this training, and I'm sure that they can give so many better things for the future to eliminate the backlog in this method. And after 10 to 20 years, they will be the master trainers in Pakistan. So I'm very much in love with this training technique, which I have learned here, and that is equally applicable at my home to settle my issue with the children also. And my suggestion would be that this group should have a consultative meeting at least 6 to 8 months.
Wow.
So that they can exchange their views and ideas, what they have practically applied and whether they have any failure and how to improve the other. So that is a self-helping technique which we have learned. So that is the most important thing. And I love Singapore because from you people I've learned about the Singapore. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Useful for your judgeship and would you recommend it for other judges of the High Court?
I recommend even to the Supreme Court to have this training. And whenever a training module should be developed in future, I'm recommending this thing even to the Supreme Court CJP also, that whenever such kind of training should be fixed, the Supreme Court judge should be here, the High Court representation, the judges of the High Court should be here, and all tiers of the judges should be in a joint meeting, so that our younger generation, the judges of the civil judges, the senior civil and additional and session judges, they can learn that their own seniors are with them and they would raise their confidence.